Spending time with your loved ones is the best, but we also want to spend time on our hobbies. So how do we combine the two? Most hobbies require going to a specific facility or using specific equipment. But what if you could stay home with your family and do what you love? Now you can. Introducing Dobot Magician. The portability and multifunctionality has never been combined so well in a unibody design before. Powerfully potential in movements and enjoyable in silence. Discover a geek inside of you. Dobot Magician can do splendid 3D printing. As a robotic arm, it's so precise that you can find plenty of details in the smoothly printed models. Get creative with the double color printing head and create original things like toys for your kids. Say yes to the creative cook you've been hiding inside of you all this time. Shape your breakfast into whatever you like. Besides, you don't need to make a wire mess in the kitchen. Just use Wi-Fi. Unleash the possibilities with the handhold teaching feature. Teach Dobot to assist you in learning or to perform any other repetitive motion. Hold down the button and move the arm. Release, enjoy. Now the Dobot Magician software is integrated. Draw, engrave, and teach it to move without leaving the program. With its enhanced writing, printing, and laser engraving features, you can get your favorite images on any surface. Just open the image in the Dobot software and you're ready to go. It's delicately calibrated for drawing or laser engraving on hard materials like leather and wood. Dobot Magician is your best robot to get creative with. Be twice as productive with multi-Dobot cooperation. Working without USB cables? No problem. Just pull it off and let it do its thing. Switching the end tool has never been this fast. Just unscrew the pin, change it, screw it back in. Done. Dobot Magician is also thoughtfully designed for advanced users. There are 13 open connection ports. This is where you can really expand the horizons. You can connect additional modules like voice control, USB communication module, extra motor, or create one by yourself. You can also learn programming and robotics with Dobot Blocky. It's the best opportunity for beginners to get started in programming, no matter if you're a child or an adult. This is Dobot Magician, a robotic arm that integrates so many features to help you unleash your creativity, making you believe in what you've always wanted to. This is magic.
We're going to showcase Dobot Magician.
The Dobot robot arm is an industrial robot that is used for repetitive tasks. It is also beneficial for hazardous tasks and it also increases the productivity of manpower. In this video, we use the gripper as an end-of-arm tool to hold an object such as medicine to be transferred to a storage box to be placed on the conveyor belt to be delivered in a specific point. In this part where the conveyor is at, we integrated the Dobot robot arm with educational robot, which we call the LEGO Mindstorms EV3, that uses different kinds of sensors, such as ultrasonic sensor, used to detect and measure distance of an object in front of it. Now, aside from the gripper and arm tooling, we are also going to show you how a vacuum suction works, and we will also demonstrate how this Dobot robot arm can draw. basic parts of the robot arm are: number 1, the main controller; number 2, robotics arm; number 3, drive system; number 4, end of arm tooling; and number 5, sensors. The main controller serves as the brain of the whole system. The robotics arm is where it moves and changes position. The drive system is the main power or the motor that makes the arm move. The end of arm tooling are such as gripper, suction, laser engraving, and 3D printing. And of course, the sensors that gives information about the robot's environment.
That's how amazing this invention can be used, especially as an educational tool in teaching robotics in our school. For we believe that quality education can only be achieved through quality teachers and instructional materials. That's all I got for you in this video. Thank you for watching!
A wise man once said, "A room without books is like a body without a soul." Books, to many people, are doors to the treasure of knowledge of the world. But at the dawn of the 21st century's digital era, is that still true? This robotic arm says no. It's Dobot Magician, a robotic arm designed to be used on the desktop. It is precise, multifunctional, and extendable, with a smaller body than its counterparts, which makes it the best tool for you to learn about robotics. It can perform tasks including 3D printing, laser engraving, write and draw, and grabbing objects. The standardized end tools can be switched by just a twist. It doesn't matter if you're doing fine work or moving big objects. They can create wonderful things and bring excellent convenience only limited by your imagination. From homes to laboratories and even competitions, Dobot Magician can always find its purpose. To realize all that, you will need its exclusive application, Dobot Studio. It's by far the most multifunctional GUI controlling system for desktop robotic arms. You can connect with USB, Wi-Fi, or Bluetooth and control Dobot Magician with mouse, button, joystick, or even gesture. You only need to teach it once, and it will imitate your movements precisely. Yes, it is that simple to use a robotic arm. Not only that, Dobot Magician can be a programmer's friend. With a graphical programming interface, Dobot Blockly, you can create your program by simply assembling command blocks, making it to perform complex tasks just like regular code. You can also use the regular programming environment to control Dobot Magician in your most familiar way. To learn programming or to actually program, you can enjoy both with Dobot Magician. Like DIY? Welcome to our world. Dobot Magician has 13 extension ports, including digital and analog input-output, power source, communication, and even motor ports. With Dobot's protocol and API, you can create your own end tools with sensors and switches. Wants to build a walking robotic arm? No problem. At the dawn of Industry 4.0, the future of automation is approaching, a future which needs you, a robot lover, to forge. The Dobot Magician is ready. What about you? Come aboard and join us.
Spending time with your loved ones is the best, but we also want to spend time on our hobbies. So how do we combine the two? Most hobbies require going to a specific facility or using specific equipment. But what if you could